What's going on, guys? Emoji here. In this video, I'll show you guys how to download and install Fortnite for Android devices. We're also going to see if Fortnite runs on Honor 8 or not. The first thing I did was I searched for Fortnite on the Google Play Store, and as you guys can see, it says it's not available on Google Play. So I went on my browser and I searched for download Fortnite APK, and that takes me to the link from Epic Games, which is the publisher for Fortnite, and you get straight to the download link, and they also have a list of devices that are supported, and you can go in the frequently asked question page as well to see if your device is supported or not. I'm gonna download the installer. Now once I open the installer, I get the logo, and it says that Fortnite is not compatible with my device. However, I can run it on other devices. Quite unfortunate. And it says that the recommended operating system is Android 8.0 or higher, 64-bit. So the Honor 8 that I have is on Android 7.0. Maybe that's the reason why it's not supported. In case your device is supported, you'll need to make sure that you have about 3 to 4 gigabytes of storage space available, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you guys find this video very useful.